Apple's infamous underdogs are back, and this time they brought receipts. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. In their latest comedy-style ad, BSOD, which dropped on YouTube October 7th, the Mac-loving office misfits relive a tech apocalypse, the real-world CrowdStrike incident that crashed 8.5 million Windows PCs on July 19, 2024. While Apple tiptoes around naming names, the message is clear. So when Windows machines across a fictional trade show crumbled into blue screens of death, it was only the underdogs and their Macs that kept things moving. It's a clever and cheeky jab at Microsoft's darkest recent moment. The ad stands on the line between parody and painful reality, referencing a global tech failure that shut down banks, airlines, stock markets, and hospitals. But while it nails the comedic timing, Apple may be throwing shade in the wrong direction. Modern Windows, especially Windows 10 and 11, is far more stable and secure than the days of I love you viruses and endless antivirus installs. Today's BSODs are rare, and Microsoft even rebranded them black to highlight how uncommon they've become. Ironically, by making fun of the crash, Apple also shows just how common Windows still is in the business world, that almost every computer at the fake conference was running Windows. Instead of that, there were softer, smarter targets Apple could have aimed for, like Microsoft's forced Windows 11 upgrades that lock out capable older machines due to its pushy integration of Edge and Copilot, or its experiment with ads inside the OS. But Apple went for the low-hanging fruit. And while the ad may get laughs, it's also a reminder that even giants like Microsoft can stumble. Did you find the ad funny? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.